Adios, Dumaguete! Alright, so I'm on my way to Mindanao. Because Lynn got into a motor accident yesterday. And he's having a hard time walking, so we're gonna go down to Mindanao. Go down to Dipolog, see her. Haven't seen her for a while. See what happens. Waiting and seeing. Montenegro just parked out there. Goodbye, Dumaguete! Alright everybody, it is 5:48 p.m. I think today is Monday. And we are down at the Boulevard in Dipolog. And I love Dumaguete and everything, but they ain't really got anything on the Boulevard in Dipolog. This is absolutely insane. You got all kinds of food vendors over there. Up and down the boulevard, there's a whole bunch of decent restaurants. We actually went to some of them yesterday. And this boulevard is just freaking beautiful. It actually extends 5 kilometers down to that point way down there. And it's utilized a lot in the morning by people that are exercising, taking walks. And right now, it's just a lot of students and people taking a late afternoon stroll. It's really nice, it's beautiful. Dipolog is in a protected bay, so they don't have to worry too much about storms and stuff. I was talking to a guy from Hawaii yesterday. He said the only downside, Filipino American, is that you can't go surfing here. But this is a really, really nice boulevard. Also, Dumaguete, take note. See these things right here? They're called trash receptacles. And they charge a 1,000 peso fine for littering. So as you can see, they're being utilized and the boulevard is absolutely pristine. So props to you, Dipolog, you guys rock. This is a beautiful place to visit. I did the video on where I'm staying earlier today over at CNL. They have a CNL in Dumaguete and there's also a CNL in Bayawan. And right now, I am enjoying my mango shake. This is only 35 pesos. It's delicious. Life is good, there's no complaints here. And the Philippine dream is going strong. So this is Ned over my Philippine dreams. And life is good in Dipolog. Also, another big difference between Dipolog and Dumaguete is there's actually a beach here that can be utilized for public recreation. And as you can see right now, it is being utilized by quite a few people. Again, mostly students. They're playing volleyball and stuff. But this is really nice. Dumaguete can learn a lot from Dipolog. Although we can't have a beach like this. This is like almost black sand beach. And people are writing their names and stuff. People are in love. And there's somebody who's written something. And although it's not a spectacular sunset like it was last night, and I missed it because we were riding around, still pretty nice. Here in Dipolog, Mindanao, Zamboanga del Norte, and now I gotta find Lynn. This is a 5 kilometer long boulevard. It's gonna be hard to find Lynn. She's somewhere around. She's always somewhere around. Alright, so I don't know how the lighting is because it's like 6:15 now. But I just wanted to give you, I can see the camera's having a hard time autofocusing. Just want to give you some idea of the extent that is of this boulevard here at Dipolog. It's freaking massive. I mentioned it was 5 kilometers long. You can't even see the end of it. It just keeps going. And a lot of people are jogging and running and getting their sport on. And it's nice and cool here because there's this awesome sea breeze coming off the water. And I can't stress enough how nice the Boulevard Dipolog is. It's just amazing. Alright, so enough of that. I gotta try to find Lynn again. I have no idea where she is. She might be at the port picking somebody up.